As opposed to, we have different areas in our brain for different things. Music is processed everywhere. So it also helps establish this mind-body connection, which is really important for each person. The mind can influence the body, and the body can influence the mind. So what we tried to do in the workshop is use our body to change our well-being in terms of posture, in terms of breathing, the way that we project and sing. All of these things can have an influence on our thoughts, our emotion, our well-being.
I know it sounds cheesy, but art is very much the language of the heart. I really believe it. And women bring something very special to the heart.
Actually, this is the most wholesome session I've ever had for music well-being. حاسه ان انا طلعت الانر تشايلد اللي جوه و... وفي السيشن بتاع المديتيشن والهامينج والحاجات دي كلها it was wholesome.
Anna and I have done this workshop a lot, but it's the first time to do it in She Arts Festival, and we loved it. We really, really enjoyed doing it within the festival, 100%.
I think it's not only very important for the artists themselves, but it's also important for the community, the support aspect, and for inspiration for, maybe artists who haven't taken that step to put their work out there, to try something new. I know it's been very inspiring for myself. Even the concert last night with Hiba Tawaji was incredible. These things are really important for community well-being as artists and for inspiration.